Next thing is that we have to write one code, is a write a program to add two 8-bit number. Okay, so can anybody tell me to add two 8-bit number? Assume it you have a two number, that is a 10h. It's a hexadecimal indication 20h. So whenever you wanted to add these two number, how you will add these two number? What is the result of that? 10 plus 20?
30.
Yes, 30h. So if the number is simple, that is very nice. But assume it if your number is like 04h plus you have a number 06h. So can you tell me what is the result? If you are adding 04 plus 06h, what will be the result?
10.
Not 10. 10 is a decimal. 4 plus 6 is 0a. Because in a hexadecimal 10 is not available. So it will be the 0AH. Okay. So you remember such kind of mistake. When you are doing a code, you are getting a correct result, but your understanding is not clear. That's why you having a problem. So in decimal, you know that thing. In the decimal, I am writing the thing. In decimal, you have a number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it will further extend like this. है ना? But in hexadecimal, the thing is that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then here is no 10. Here is A. Okay, here you will write 10, but here you can write is A, capital A. Okay, capital A is correspond to 10. Here you are getting 11. So this 11 here is B, capital B. Here is 12. So this correspond to C. This is a basic mistake you are doing while writing a program. This is 13. So this is D, because in hexadecimal after 9 no digit is available in decimal version. Then 14, then it will become E, then 15, then it will become F. Okay, so in hexadecimal 0 to F you have a number, then again it will repeat, and in the decimal it will continue like this. Okay, and after it will be continuous repeat in that way, 0 1 2 3 like that. Okay, so whenever we are doing the programming in 8085, first thing is that we have to write an instruction. So to add the two number you require two instruction. First instruction, such kind of instruction which can load the value in register. Assume it, for example, you have to add two numbers, so assume it you are loading one value in B register, and assume it one value you are loading in A register. This arrow is indicate कि आपकी वैल्यू इस डायरेक्शन में लोड हो रही है. So whenever you want to load the B and A with this value, what instruction you need to write? What instruction you need to write? Yes, yesterday we discussed, I guess. Oh, acha, आज तो lab है ना. Okay, addressing mode is remaining. Yeah, in yesterday class we discussed to load the value in register, which instruction we need to use. Anybody can give the idea about it?
यहाँ पर ने तो अरिथमेटिक यूज किया था ना, अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेंड्स को ऐड करने के लिए.
Arithmetic data transfer na. Can you tell me which data transfer instruction we have to use here to load the 10h in any register? Do you remember this instruction? I have used MVI any register. This syntax I use any register and any 8-bit value. This is the syntax of that. So the meaning of this instruction is any 8-bit value can store in register R. Okay, and R can be any register, A, B, C, D, E, H, L, anything. So what we can write it? The program will start in that way. MVI B, we have to load B comma 10H. Okay, here you don't require semicolon. Okay, then we have to load second value MVI A comma 20H. Okay, so what is the meaning of this instruction? I am writing the meaning of this instruction here. B, after the execution of this instruction, B load with 10H. Okay, And similarly, after the execution of this instruction, A load with 20H. Okay. So in the processor you write these two instructions. So B and A register loaded with these two value. Now what you have to do, you have to add A equals to A plus B. So to perform the A equals to A plus B, which instruction you required?
Add operator.
Yeah, add. We will write add, and what we have to write? A plus B करना है. तो which register we have to write?
A comma B.
Not A comma B. Syntax is, I will write
R,
again syntax of add R. So meaning of this, A equals to A plus R. So if here you have to add A and B. So what I have to write here? You wanted to add A plus B. So what I have to write in this program? Yes. I have to add A equals to A plus B. So after add, what is register I have to write? Yes, anybody can tell me? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yeah, so can you give me the answer for that? See, it's clear, na? I said it. What is add R? R can be any register. So if I wanted to add A plus B, so you know A is the by default register. You wanted to add B, so B should be here. So according to this particular syntax, what I have to write in place of R?
B.
Yeah, it's clear. Add B. So what is the meaning of this? A equals to A A plus B, और उसको इन शॉर्ट और कहना चाहे तो A plus B 10 plus 20H, you are getting 30H. So this is your program. Your program is finished. Okay. So after this you have to halt the program also. So depending upon the simulator, you have to write either halt or either RST. I will tell you what is RST. For this simulator you have to write halt. Halt means to stop the program. After writing the program you have to write the halt. Halt means to stop the program. Okay. I'm telling the other way also, because you are using any simulator in mobile. So some simulator are writing RST1. RST1 is nothing but a restart interrupt. So in some simulator, in place of HLT, they are writing RST1 because they are supporting that thing. Restart interrupt is nothing but a, whenever you are writing this one, so this is also the stop kind of thing. Restart interrupt, मतलब your program will execute it from the first line again. So if you are using different simulator, which I am not telling you, so that simulator can use this RST1 also. Okay. And I'm giving other example also. Some simulator having like this. Yeah, tell me.
10H लिखा है आपने हेक्साडेसिमल में, पर आपने अभी ऊपर बोला कि 0 + 6H, तो 0A होना चाहिए.
See,
हेक्साडेसिमल.
Wait a minute. See, 10H basically क्या है? 10H. So this 1 is also 4-bit number. This 0 is also 4-bit number. If I'm writing here like this 0 6, assume it I'm writing 1 6 hexadecimal, na? Hexadecimal plus 2 4. ठीक है, 1 4 assume it. So what will happen?
Okay.
For that, now are you getting my point? So 6 plus 4
समझ
A, 1 plus 2 2 है. ठीक है, in that way it will happen. ठीक है. Now next thing I want to clear, for other simulator, some simulator are using ORG. Before this they are writing ORG. ORG is nothing but a directives. ORG. Some simulator are accepting ORG. ORG indicate the start of the program, and at the end of the program they are writing AND. Okay. So I am telling this all thing because some simulator can use this thing. If you are not using same simulator what I am suggesting you, so you can find out this kind of variation in the simulator. So उसे देख के worry करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है. Every simulator having their own things. ठीक है. So some simulator can use RST1. I am just writing. Some simulator can use ORG. Some simulator can use only small letters. ठीक है. Some simulator can use only capital letters. So depend upon the simulator you have to prefer. So this thing can be vary depending upon the simulator to simulator, but the code logic will be the same. Okay. So now that part is clear. This part is clear.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Is it clear? Okay, fine. So I wanted to explain before simulating the things on the simulator. I want to tell you, if you will perform the same program on the hardware, how it will be performed. I'm telling you. So at least you can get the quick insight about it. Okay. So every program executed by the memory location. 7000H is the memory location where we will write the code. So I'm writing the first line of the code is MVI B, 10H. 7000 and 7001. Okay, I'm telling you why I'm doing this thing. 7000 and 7001. So MVI B, 10H is basically 2 byte instruction. 2 byte, actually your instruction is 3 bytes. We couldn't reach that point. Instruction size is 1 byte, 2 byte and 3 byte. ठीक है, that is the meaning of that कि how much memory space is occupied by the instruction. So if the instruction occupied 1 byte, if the instruction is 1 byte, it will take 1 memory place. If the instruction is 2 byte, it will take 2 memory place. ठीक है, so here this instruction is 2 byte. Okay, I will tell you how this 2 byte now, because in the theory I will come to the timing diagram, then I will clear ki how it become 2 byte. But right now you understand this is 2 byte. Okay, so for the 2 byte you will go to the opcode sheet. MVIB having assumed you have this opcode XX. Okay, so 1 byte for the opcode. Opcode means your processor will understand the meaning of this instruction. MVI means move immediately. Okay, and the second byte is required for this. This is the 10H. So that's why you require 2 byte 10H. At second location you will write this thing 10. Okay, so if inside the processor kit, if you are writing these 2 lines, not this one, this MVIB comma nahi, only till opcode, these 2 lines. Okay, so what will happen, your processor will understand ki B data should be load into the B data should be loaded with the 10H. Okay, so when you are writing the program inside the kit, you have to mention the memory address and opcode also. Even if you will use the emulator, in emulator it will also work like a hardware kit. Okay, so वहाँ पर आपको इसी तरह से आपको execute करना होगा. That's why I'm telling you these steps. Next is your third instruction is 7002H. Would be this one opcode बाद में लिखा जाता है, but I'm writing MVI A, 20H. Okay, so you can see this is also 2 byte instruction. So at 7003 you will write the 20H. So that's why this is the 2 byte 20H. Okay, at 7004 you have to write another instruction, that is assume the opcode is XX. This add B. Add B instruction is the 1 byte instruction. It will take only 1 memory space. At 7005, I'm so sorry, 1 minute. Hello?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
मैम वो आपका वो रूम नंबर कौन सा है?
C406. But sir, पूरे C block में नेटवर्किंग नहीं है.
नहीं, फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे है मैम आपका?
सर फोर्थ फ्लोर. 406 means फोर्थ फ्लोर.
देखना मैम नेट आ गया क्या?
1 मिनट सर, ना मेरा वाईफाई मेरा मोबाइल से कनेक्टेड है. 1 मिनट मुझे चेक करना होगा.
तो आपका रूम नंबर क्या होता है? 40
C406.
406 देखो शायद चल गया होगा.
सर नेटवर्क कनेक्टेड शो तो कर रहा है. 1 मिनट ना, मैं अपना हेलो 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 हेलो.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, fine. Okay, so fine. So 8B is basically 1 byte instruction. Now last is just 7005. 7005 पे you will write the last instruction, that is a HLT. If you are using our kit, आपकी लैब की किट आप यूज कर रहे होते तो at place of HLT you will write RST1, because that kit support the restart interrupt. Restart means your program will stop at that particular location. It's an interrupt basically. Okay, so this is also the 1 byte, so assume this opcode is this one. So when you are executing this thing on the kit now, you have to only enter the memory address and opcode. So after writing this certain line, your processor will give the answer in that way. आपका आंसर क्या होगा? After executing this thing, you will check the answer while entering the register A. जैसे आप एंटर ए रजिस्टर करोगे, आपको जो आंसर मिलेगा 30H on LCD. Okay, so the same code if you are executing on the hardware kit, you require these all things. Okay, but the same thing if you wanted to execute on the simulator, you have to write in that way. This is my GNU simulator. You can see that thing. This is my GNU simulator. You can see that simulator. Is it visible? This simulator is visible. Hello. This simulator is visible.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No, ma'am.
wait a
No,
minute.
ma'am.
Wait a minute. I'm sharing. Yeah, this is a simulator. Is it visible now? Is it visible
Yes,
now?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So in this simulator, you can see, is in this simulator you have an option, the new file open and all. You can reset. You have a execute, means whenever you want to run your code, you can execute it. You have a debug option, step in, step out. Step in is but nothing but a line by line execution. ब्रेक पॉइंट मतलब इफ यू आर पुटिंग अ ब्रेक पॉइंट पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन, तो वहीं तक आपका प्रोग्राम एग्जीक्यूट होगा. ठीक है. सो दीज आर द बेसिक थिंग्स. These are the registers, the accumulator B, C, D, E, H, L. PSW is nothing but a flag register, program status word register, program counter, stack pointer, internal register, that is W and Z. Here you are getting the option कि अगर आपको कोई डेसिमल नंबर पता है लेकिन आपको हेक्साडेसिमल नहीं पता है, तो you can change that particular thing, hex to decimal, decimal to hex. ठीक है. इस simulator में that option is also available. Okay, so when you are writing the code, you have to write the code from here. Okay, so assume it I am writing the code, MVI a comma, I wrote the B comma 10H, no semicolon, it accept the capital letters, MVI a comma 20H, then I will write add B, sorry, B, I have to take space, add B, then I have to write HLT. Okay, is it clear? So now my code is here.
And starting में अपन ने जो line किया है.
Sorry.
मैंने अपन ने starting line लिखी है ना MVI B, 10H. जरूरी थोड़ी कि B जरूर पहले ले. एक ही वैल्यू लिखते हैं ना.
You can take any register, but the syntax here to follow. Syntax of MVI is R, 8 bit. You can take anything. आप A भी पहले लिख सकते हो, B भी लिख सकते हो, वो आपकी मर्जी है. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I have to save this file. So always remember, when we are writing a code in assembly language, extension of file would be ASM. See, you can see this is a ASM. This is ASM. So I don't require to put this one. P1 I'm writing, so it will automatically take ASM file extension. When you are doing a code in C language, you have to put the extension .c. So this file is saved. Now what I have to do? I have to execute. See, you can see accumulator having 30H. Your accumulator getting a 30H. So in the simulator, you have to work in that way. That simulator is very simple. You can see. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's a very simple simulator, GNU simulator. Okay. So now we are moving to the next. I'm again coming back to the screen. So install that GNU simulator in your laptop, or you have to perform this particular practicals. I'm just writing this code. Okay. So in the worksheet right now, I added worksheet. This is your practical, na? You have to write in that way. Okay. This is for your understanding. I wrote the things. In your practical file, you have to write aim, requirement, program, and as well as after writing the program, you have to stick the simulator results. Results mean you have to put a screenshot. Result, you have to write a screenshot. you have to take a screenshot of your simulator result and you have to mention it. Okay, and result me you have to you have to write the things ki your answer is verified. Okay, now in this experiment first you have a first worksheet, so you have to perform these practicals. Write a program to add these two numbers, that is FFH and 7H. You have to write this program to add these two numbers. Second is write a program to add two 16-bit number, and you can take any 16-bit number. Third is write a program to add these numbers, that is 25H, 36H and 45H. You have to add these numbers. Next is write a program to add the number stored at location C, D and E. Okay, so at B, C, D any numbers can be stored. You have to add these two numbers, or either you can store and then add, but first you have to store, then you have to add. Okay, so these four program you have to write it, and you have to just send me the screenshot of the results. First you have to execute these program. So in place of this number you can take any other number and just share me your screenshot ki you simulated, and this screenshot you have to send me on Microsoft Team. So this will be like your attendance. So
वर्कशीट वापस दिखाने को, वर्कशीट में
सॉरी
मेरे को वर्कशीट वापस दिखाने कौन से करने थे.
मैं वर्कशीट अपलोड कर रही हूँ, डोंट वरी, आई एम अपलोडिंग द वर्कशीट जस्ट नाउ. ओके, so basically you have to write these four programs you have to do, and first you have to do the sample program also. This sample program, whatever program I wrote, you have to check this also. Okay, so in simulator you have to write this thing and just send me the screenshot of the result. Okay, now chat box, I'm here till 5 o'clock, so till 5 o'clock you have to send me the screenshot of all the program. That is your attendance, and I'm sharing this file, I'm uploading the same file on Amazon. Right now I can't send on Amazon, I'm sending on WhatsApp because I have to disconnect this call. Okay, so right now I'm sending the same file on your WhatsApp. Okay, this lab file I'm sending on the WhatsApp, so you can use that file.
हमें स्क्रीनशॉट कहाँ पे भेजना है?
स्क्रीनशॉट ये Microsoft Team, I'm here till 5 o'clock ना, so स्क्रीनशॉट के चैट बॉक्स में पोस्ट कर सकते हो आप.
हम व्हाट्सएप पे शेयर कर सकते हैं, ग्रुप पे. सॉरी, ग्रुप में शेयर कर सकते.
नहीं बेटा, व्हाट्सएप पे नहीं करना, क्योंकि मुझे इसका डाउनलोड करके रिकॉर्ड रखना होगा ना. सो व्हाट्सएप इट्स नॉट अ ऑफिशियल थिंग.
अपलोड नहीं होती मैम.
सॉरी,
कई बार अपलोड नहीं होता मैम.
नहीं बेटा, अपलोड ही करना है आपको. चैट बॉक्स है ना, या चैट बॉक्स में स्क्रीनशॉट पेस्ट करना है. ये मीटिंग चैट बॉक्स है ना, यहाँ पर करना है आपको. अपलोड कुछ नहीं करना है आपको, सिर्फ पेस्ट करना है यहाँ. ठीक है, अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी तो देन वी विल फाइंड आउट द सॉल्यूशन फॉर दैट. ठीक है, सो आई एम हियर टिल 5 o'clock. अगर आपको कोई डाउट है यू कैन आस्क मी नाउ, और जिसके पास सेलफोन है वो सेलफोन यूज़ कर सकता है, लेकिन मेंशन इट कि आई एम यूजिंग मोबाइल फ़ोन. वो तो स्क्रीनशॉट से मुझे समझ में आ जाएगा. ठीक है, सो आई एम वेटिंग फॉर दैट. अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है डाउनलोड करने में, यू कैन टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम मी. ओके, सो डाउनलोड इट एंड स्टार्ट प्रोग्राम. मैं ये वर्ड फाइल आपको शेयर कर रही हूँ, and after lecture I will upload on this MS Team also. Okay, right now I'm sharing on WhatsApp.
तो मैम जाए ना फिर क्लास लीव करें.
सॉरी,
क्लास लीव कर देना.
नहीं, क्लास लीव नहीं करना है, क्लास ऑन रहेगी. आपको यही चैट बॉक्स पे करना है.
नहीं अभी मतलब अभी कॉल कर करके जब भी काम करके फिर आ जाएंगे ना वापस. नहीं
बेटा, ऑफ नहीं जाना है आपको. प्रॉब्लम यही है, भले आप अपना काम कर लो, म्यूट कर दो माइक, बट आई एम हियर.
ओके,
ठीक है, मैं व्हाट्सएप पे आपको ये टेक्स्ट फाइल सेंड कर रही हूँ.